Hi guys, I'm joined with Shiri.
Hello.
So today we're going to be doing some fidget trading. So these are my fidgets, and those are her fidgets. Let's get on to the video. What will you give me for this infinity cube?
I will give you actually decline.
Okay.
What will you give me for this limited edition snake with a spike ball floating under it? Stop! No!
Wow, I love the spike ball.
You broke my illusion. Give it back.
No.
Put it.
I'll trade you for the spike ball.
They come in this set. Add one more thing.
Okay, if you say so. They come in a set.
Perfect. I like these things.
Okay then.
Do I open them?
Bikey, bike. What will you give me for this homemade tangle? What will you give me for this homemade jingle? It's super good.
Watch TV.
I'll give you this.
Watch my phone.
You're gonna have to add. It's homemade. Give me a homemade fidget. Sorry for the audio. That's my. Decline.
I'm supposed to decline the pick.
What will you give me for that?
Is that good?
I accept.
Oh my god.
What will you give me for this? Okay, I got a bunch of fidget spinners. What will you give me for this money fidget spinner?
I'll give you this acupressure ring.
Accept. What will you give me for this fidget pad?
I'll give you I'll give you these.
Take the fidget spinners out when we have a deal. Deal. What will you give me for this?
I'll decline.
Not she's gonna be offering.
What will you give me for this?
All of that.
Take out this and add one of your pea poppers, or actually take out that and add this tangle, and I'll accept.
Okay. I can't believe I gotta pop it.
noise.
I'm a
Is it
weirdo,
recording?
okay? Here. What will you... Wait, I didn't even add the pea popper in.
Okay, thank you.
What will you give me for this wacky track?
I will give you this.
You give up, Dominic?
Decline.
You give up?
Okay. You offer now.
What will you give me for this?
I will give you my homemade tangle, a marble and mesh, acupressure ring. Actually, since it's a small pop tube, I'm just going to give you these two things.
Alright, so
Guess what? I'm gonna tell you where I hide it. No. Yeah. Ew.
what will you give me for this?
Can I test it?
No.
Why? Is it bad?
No, I just really like it and I don't want anyone touching it until they confirm.
No.
Decline. I already have one.
You want my again?
What will you give me for this green spike ball?
Wait. Wait, let me. Oh my God! The same spot as a bed.
Decline.
What?
I'm so very sorry for the background noise. This is, bye guys.